This is how they earn gold, dark steel, craft items easily in MIR4 NFT play to earn. You can use 4 different accounts, 3 in your desktop or Steam and 1 for Android or mobile phone.
I've been here before but I don't remember when. And every time we get to where we're entering, I feel my beliefs and hope surrendering. But I know I'll be coming home soon. Yes, I know coming home soon. Like the enemies that we are battling, I am nothing but a human alien, left with nothing else but to keep wandering down this path while stopping my hands trembling.
For more tricks and ways to easily earn, don't forget to subscribe and feel free to leave comments or suggestion below.
With a sword desire